Pasaway? Bakit kaya? Naku anak, I'm not a lawyer. But as a business owner who has handled many employee issues and heard their struggles, I have learned that workplace problems are rarely one-sided. Alam mo ba, I remember back in my business many years ago, I had an employee who was always late. Lagi siyang may excuse. And at first, I took it personally. Ayaw ba niyang sumunod? I was so frustrated and I was ready to fire him. Pero naisip ko, baka meron namang ibang dahilan. Kaya kung ikaw ang isang business owner, ask yourself first, malinaw ba ang expectations ko sa kanila? Baka akala mo lang naintindihan kanila pero hindi pala. Nabibigyan ko ba sila ng tamang training, support at feedback? Hindi lahat ng pagkakamali ay dahil sa katamaran. Baka hindi lang nila alam ang tamang paraan. Nakikinig ka ba sa kanila? Baka naman may problema silang pwedeng solusyonan kung nag-usap lang kami ng maayos. Nakasulat ba ang company policies mo? Alam mo anak, mahirap sumunod sa rules kung hindi malinaw. Kung ikaw naman ang empleyado, isipin mo rin, alam ko ba talaga ang expectations ng boss ko? Baka may miscommunication lang tayo. Ginagawa mo ba ang best mo? Nasabi mo na ba ang concerns mo? Alam mo ba ang mga company policies? Anak, mahalagang alamin natin ang ating rights at responsibilities. So the lesson is this: most workplace issues are not about bad attitudes, but just misunderstandings. Remember, emotions can cloud our judgment. So let's be business-minded, Pinoy.